Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay from a new feature. Click the feature. So this is one of the three new feature. I want to show you the face of 24-hour. So in this mode, you are going to face 3 versus 3 multiplayer battle in a small maps. So there are no score streak, but you can get perk. Each perk can increase your movement and reload speed, and also gun racing speed. So let's get jump to the game. Yeah, as you can see, the map is simple and small, and there are two teams here, 3 versus 3. Welcome to the game. This is my team, and this is the opponent. So let's start the game. 3 versus 3, and this is the perks at the bottom. So we try to search the enemy. So each time you kill, you get this perk. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.